Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our 10 by 16 placemat.
Stay tuned. Okay, so today in this video, we are going to be working with our 10-inch by 16-inch mouse pad material. It is an 1/8 of an inch thick and perfect for a lot of different uses, such as placemat, mouse pads, large mouse pads, desktop surfaces, and Meredith's favorite to be used as a trivet for your hot items.
Okay, let's get started. So we did use Photoshop to do our design, and we printed using our F570. We're going to line up our design and use our thermal tape to hold it in place. All right, we are ready for pressing.
Okay, so I am going to place silicone down on our bottom platen to protect our bottom platen from any ink. And we are going to place the pad with the image face down. And then make sure you just line appropriately on your press. And then I am going to cover it with a Teflon sheet. And we are pressing it at 400 degrees for 45 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are done. We are going to remove as a hot peel. And immediately move all of our layers here, and then always in a nice, smooth, consistent motion to avoid any ghosting. Just gonna place here just so it can cool off a little bit. Okay, so now you have one personalized mat. Anything to add in there, Meredith?
Yes, we did use the Sublicolor sport paper with our F570, so it did create a little bit of an adhesive tack feel to it, which prevented it from shifting and ghosting.
And there you go. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.